Do you suffer from recurring skin problems, constant itchiness, digestive issues, bloating, or find it hard to manage stress? You're not alone, and there's hope. Hi, I am Sanjam from Hungry Gopher, and today we're diving into why gut health and an anti-inflammatory diet could be the game changers you've been searching for. 7 years ago, my mother was diagnosed with a herniated disc and received steroid injections to manage her severe back pain. She couldn't stand up straight or walk properly. It was a tough time for her. But guess what? That's not her story anymore. Through a formula focused on lowering inflammation, which includes gut healthy foods, she's now able to go hiking with her friends again. She even has the energy to enjoy life to the fullest. Recently, she wanted to attend a concert by her favorite Korean pop star, Im Young-un. Although she couldn't get a ticket because he's so popular, she still went to the stadium where his concert was held and partied in front of the stadium until 2 a.m. Wow. So why does lowering inflammation help? When you consume highly inflammatory foods, your body's immune system perceives them as harmful, leading to chronic inflammation. This not only affects your gut, but also manifests as skin problems, digestive issues, and stress. By eating anti-inflammatory foods, you can calm your gut, reduce inflammation, and alleviate these issues. Imagine having clear skin, a settled stomach, and a better handle on stress, all by simply tweaking your diet. It is possible, and I'm here to guide you through it. Today, I want to share with you the power of gut health and anti-inflammatory foods. If you're ready to take control of your health and start feeling better, join our community and start your journey with our top 3 easy kimchi recipes for gut health. And if you need more personalized help, take our free wellness assessment today. It's designed to pinpoint your specific issues and offer tailored advice to help you achieve your health goals. Click the link in the description to get started. Remember, when you heal yourself, you heal the things around you. Let's take this journey together. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful, subscribe for more health tips, and share your story with us in the comments. We're all in this together.